what is good, fools? Alright, so today we're reviewing my first ever cologne that I've ever used and ever purchased. Something my homie, my best friend, who passed away a couple of months ago, got me hooked on. May she rest in peace. It's Cuba Paris Gold. Like I said, my camera sucks, so when I get a better camera, yeah, bro, so let's get into it. I'm TR. Like I said, am I the only one who shakes up their colognes before they spray? Now, like I said, this used to be my go-to. This is the only cologne I've ever used up until like 3 years ago. And like I'll do a review on the second one that I've ever used. But this is the first cologne I've ever used, ever smelled. Well, not ever smelled, but it's the first cologne I've ever used. I've never used cologne before this. This is my introduction to colognes. Yeah, so shout out to my homie, like I said, rest in peace, NY, I miss you. Shout out to New York, because that's where she's from. Yeah, bro, let's get into it. First, the notes, like I said, it's Cuba Paris Gold. The main notes are lavender, aromatic, vanilla, amber, woody, sweet, fresh, spicy, earthy, powdery, and soft, spicy. Alright, so first initial smell is my bad. First initial smell is alcohol and that lavender and like a woody, the woodish smell. As it simmers down, cause I haven't worn this in months, cause I've been buying like all these new colognes, so I kind of forgot what it smelled like, which is good. As it simmers down, you get that powdery, vanilla, sweet, kind of spicy smell. So so these notes and stuff like that, these are the type of notes that I understand. I don't understand all that patchouli and all that other stuff. I know I said I'm gonna break it down so like basic. Yeah, you definitely get that powdery and vanilla smell when it simmers down. It hits. From what I do remember, as far as like longevity, like on the skin, it lasts like hours. As far as like clothing, it lasts a very long time as well. Hours. It lasts, like I said, most of all the colognes last way longer than Draco. It's about the same between Amber Oud and Blue Ocean, the ones I reviewed before. But my girl never gave me compliments, but she does like this. Yeah, I've had compliments from other people with this. This was years ago though. But yeah, this is classic. This is a classic. But yeah. Now it's simmering down, so now it's just starting to be woody and vanilla and spice. Like the powder is there. Okay, so it's fluctuating. It's fluctuating between amber and that powdery and that woody smell. Woody smell, my bad. So that's what now like the powder is really starting to hit. That's really starting to come to like the forefront now that it's starting to really simmer down. So yeah, I'm definitely starting to get that powder smell. Like that baby powder smell. The vanilla is starting to go away. Like at least on skin. But on clothing, from what I remember, the woody and vanilla is different. The woody and vanilla you can smell that more on clothing. The powdery is mostly just on skin, or like maybe like I said, it's with my skin chemistry. But yeah, on clothing, it's definitely that vanilla and that woody smell. But yeah, I love this. I still love it. I just haven't used it because, like I said, all the other ones that I'm trying. But if you've used it, what's your thoughts on it? It's not going to stop anyone in their tracks like the other ones, but it definitely smells very good. Um, yeah, man. But this is not the. This is like. I would say this is more for business or business casual or work. I would say, or just going out about your day. It's nothing for like club or anything like that. Because that's what we used to use it for. Going to the club. Because this is all I knew. But it doesn't smell bad. It like I like that. But like I said, on clothes, it's definitely like vanilla and woody. On skin, at least like I said, at least with my skin chemistry, it's that powder. Now the powder's really coming in. Like that's all I'm starting to smell now is that powder. And like tiny hints of like vanilla now. And but yeah, man. I would rate this 6.5 because, well, I say 7.5 because of longevity and stuff. See, I said 7.5 because of longevity. And like I said, just combine all together longevity and smell. But yeah, man. It's a classic for me. If you ever used it, let me know. Do you like it or not? Have you ever had compliments with it? And what are some other colognes that you want me to review? Comment them down below. Any guys or studs? To my females. Have you smelled this before? Do you like it? Yeah, that's my review on Cuba Gold. Like I said, I'm out. You have a great day. Peace. Yay, yay.